Somewhere in the ocean right now, billions of tiny creatures are drifting like mysterious rulers of the deep. You can't see them, you can't touch them, yet somehow they control more than you think. They're so tiny that if one fell into your tea, you'd just call it dust with confidence. But behind that tiny size hides a shocking truth. These microscopic dots are the real giants of the ocean. This is phytoplankton, sun-powered cells drifting near the surface like tiny glowing lanterns. They look like floating glitter, but they make HALF of the oxygen you breathe. Half! Meanwhile, I can't even keep a houseplant alive for 2 weeks. If trees are the lungs of the land, these tiny drifters are the lungs of the ocean. And when the sun sets, the real underwater drama begins. Every night, billions of zooplankton rise from the deep in the largest daily migration on Earth. It's basically the ocean's rush hour, except nobody swims in a straight line. If every human tried to take the same elevator at the same time, that's exactly what this looks like. These tiny drifters are the base of the entire ocean food web. Small fish eat them. Bigger fish eat those fish. Ocean's multi-level marketing system. And then a blue whale shows up like, "All right, everyone, into my mouth." Some zooplankton survive using the ultimate superpower, invisibility. They're so transparent, you can't even tell where the animal ends and the water begins. If they were human, they'd make perfect secret agents. Zero visibility guaranteed. This larval octopus is basically a tiny UFO floating through the sea. And comb jellies, underwater disco balls, absolute party animals. Now comes the moment when the entire ocean turns into light. When waves hit, millions of plankton flash neon blue. It's like the ocean installed LED strips just to flex on us. Dolphins swimming through it leave glowing trails behind them. And no, this isn't CGI. Nature just likes to show off. But plankton have an even bigger job. They help cool the entire planet, trapping carbon and sending it to the deep. If they took a day off, Earth would heat up faster than a broken microwave. Sometimes plankton bloom in massive swirls visible from space. The ocean literally changes color overnight. Basically an underwater holy festival, without the cleanup. And as night returns, the tiny giants drift quietly back into the deep. Invisible, silent, running the ocean from the shadows. So next time you breathe, remember the tiny drifters that made that breath possible.